Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be using our Ninja Foodi Pro pressure cooker to make herb roasted Cornish Game Hens. And the best part is that the whole thing takes less than 30 minutes. So you ready? Let's get into this. For our ingredients, we have some chicken stock, a little bit of fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, our herb combination for the pressure cooking portion. In here we have a little bit of salt, pepper, and monk fruit sweetener. And for the crisping stage, we have a little bit of avocado oil, our herb combination of salt, pepper, and thyme. And last but not least, we have our Cornish Game Hens. For our first step, we're going to combine the pressure cooking ingredients. So we've got our chicken stock, we're going to pour in our lemon juice, go ahead and throw our salt, pepper, and monk fruit sweetener in there, and our minced garlic. Go ahead and mix that around a little bit just to get it all combined. Next, we'll go ahead and open up the pressure cooker. I keep my crisping plate in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that out for now. And we can go ahead and take all the ingredients that we just mixed and pour that right in here. Once you've done that, go ahead and put your plate back in, and then we can put in the Cornish Game Hens. Next, make sure your pressure cooking lid is set to the seal position, and go ahead and put this on. Next, we can go ahead and fire up the pressure cooker. Set this to pressure cook. We want to leave this setting on high, and we want to pressure cook this for about 12 minutes. Next, all we have to do is start it up and wait. Once your pressure cooking gets done, you're going to see the timer start to increase like this. That timer is just telling you that it's slowly decreasing the pressure in here. Once it's been about 5 minutes or so, you can go ahead and release the rest of the pressure up here. Just remember, when you flip this over to vent, steam is going to shoot out, so be careful not to get burned. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Once the pressure is released, you can go ahead and remove your top. Just be careful to remove this at an angle so all the water that's collected on the top doesn't just come pouring out. And from here, we'll be ready for the crisping stage. So you're gonna wanna use your avocado oil and brush the top of these game hens here really good. Be sure to get the legs and the wings and the thigh up underneath. And then you can just take the thyme mix and we're gonna go ahead and just sprinkle that on over the top of our game hens here. How much you use just depends on how much seasoning you like. I like a lot, so we're gonna load this thing up a little bit. Once you have it seasoned the way you want, close this back up again. Next, we're going to air crisp, so we hit the air crisp button, increase this temperature to 400 degrees, and we're going to do this for 18 minutes. Just keep an eye on this. You might want your skins a little bit more or less crispy and dark. Once it gets to where you want, then you know to go ahead and stop it.
The following Thursday.
Okay, our air crisping just got done. We're going to go ahead and let this sit for about 5 minutes or so, and then it should be ready to serve. All right, let's open this up. Ooh, those look fantastic. So let's get one plated up. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about us, you can check out a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. Well, that really turned out fantastic. The game hens are cooked perfectly and the skin is nice and crunchy. Remember, if you're interested in making this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.